WCIA 3, your local news leader.
We're really part of the whole bioenergy landscape that the U.S. Department of Energy has invested in.
It's a big job, but one these researchers are proud to have. About a year ago, we told you about the grand opening of a new bioenergy research center at the U of I.
Yeah, it's called CABBI. Scientists there are trying to turn plants into energy. And tonight, we're taking a closer look at the project's first year. WCIA 3's Jessica Coons is with us. So, Jessica, this project will have a huge impact.
Paul, it'll be huge, not just for researchers and scientists, but for farmers as well. People on the U of I's campus are working in this lab to eventually help farmers in their fields. It's all thanks to a 5-year, $115 million grant from the Department of Energy.
It's been an exciting and a little bit stressful year.
In the first year, some of their work included hiring more than 50 people. They expect to double that next year. Researchers have also built their farms. The end goal
is producing a high-value crop that farmers can use to diversify their crop portfolio.
That's not all. They also want to produce products that can substitute for fossil fuels.
And to do it in an economically and ecologically sustainable way. If we did that, that would be the home run.
There are 3 focuses: feedstocks, conversion, and sustainability. Amy Marshall-Cologne is working with feedstocks.
If we can get 2 valuable products out of one plant, that's something that would really poise the entire agriculture system to benefit. So if we could get a grain from something like sorghum, but then also be able to extract oils from the stem.
In the meantime, Wendy Yang and her team are keeping an eye on everything. They're trying to make sure all of this research is done in a way that protects the environment. So far, they've looked at how nitrogen cycles between soil and crops.
Sometimes the microbes can convert that fertilizer nitrogen into nitrate that then is very easily lost from soils through leaching, and so that pollutes our waters, and so that becomes an environmental issue.
It's a lot of work that has set them up for the next few years and a new generation of scientists for their careers. And what makes this even more unique, this is one of just 404 bioenergy research centers in the entire country. Paul?
That's pretty fascinating. Jessica, thanks. Well, we talked about the feedstocks and sustainability groups. Now, the researchers that are focused on conversion look at the crops that are produced through this project. If they're not right for commercial purposes, they turn them into something more marketable.
Illinois